Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinesh. Here there is an information for you, that is important information regarding AIMS NOSET recruitment 2021. So we will go to our topic. Before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. We will go to the details notification. All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. Online application is invited for nursing officer recruitment common eligibility test NOSET 2021 for the recruitment of nursing officer post at level 7 in the pay matrix pre-revised pay band 2 of 9,300 to 34,800, that is 6th pay scale grade pay. Now it is in 7 CPC, that is level 7 pay matrix for nursing officer. Eligibility criteria: those who are having BSc nursing or post BSc nursing with registration in nursing council, state nursing council, or diploma in general nursing with registration in any state government, along with for GNM candidate 2-year experience is required in minimum 50 bedded hospital. So this 3 years experience will 2 years experience will count from after your nursing registration. So experience before your nursing registration will not count for experience. Then age limit: for general candidate, age limit is 18 years to 30 years, but age relaxation applicable for relaxation candidates. Those who are having SC, ST, OBC or government candidates can get age relaxation. Application fee for general and OBC candidates 3,000 rupees. SC, ST candidates or EWS candidates 2,500 rupees, but person with disabilities there is no application fee. The application fee for SC, ST candidates will be refunded when they will come for exam, written online exam. Application fee of SC, ST candidates who appear in the exam will be refunded after declaration of results in due course of time. Tentative date of online CBT exam, that is November 20th, that is Saturday. For general instructions, the posts carry usual allowance as admissible to central government servant of similar status sanctioned at respective cities of respective institute hospital. The application will be online mode only, and it will start from 16th October 2021 to 30th October 2021 till 5 o'clock. No documents including registration slip of online application form are required to be sent. So everything will be online only, no need to send any form to AIMS through post. However, all the applications are advised to keep a copy of registration slip with them along with the proof of payment for their record. Correction in registration will not be considered through any mode, that is email, letter. Hence, candidates are advised to fill the registration form carefully, as no correction will be allowed after specified dates as per procedure. Correction or edit of registration: for candidates requiring correction in registration and basic candidates information or completion of application form, the edit panel will be available from 31st October 2021 to 1st November 2021, 2 days only. It may be kindly be noted that the editing shall be done only by the candidates. Candidates will be responsible for all corrections. No corrections allowed after closing date of editing, that is 1st November 2021 by 5 p.m. Applications may note that further correspondence will not be entertained in this regard. Category from SC, ST to undeserved OBC, EWS cannot be corrected once registration fee is submitted. Candidature will be cancelled in case found incorrect information at any stage of recruitment. The online portal of application will be closed 5 p.m. on 30th October 2021. So online application instructions, you can read it there. Image upload instructions, sign signature upload instruction, etc. You can check it there. Age relaxation applicable for SC, ST, OBC, PWD candidates, and the last date of cut-off date for age relaxation, that is 30th October 2021. So age relaxation permissible for SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, PWD 10 years, PWD with OBC 13 years, PWD with SC/ST 15 years, ex-servicemen or any central government employees 5 years, central government employees OBC 8 years, central government civilian employees SC/ST 10 years, caste certificate OBC non-creamy layer certificate SC/ST that applicable for central government job is required. Candidates are advised to bring admit card downloaded from AIIMS website at the time of online CBT mode of examinations. Invigilator after completing the examination, following which hand over the same to the invigilator after completing the examination, following which their candidature performance in their online mode of examination will not be considered. So these are the main important points regarding AIIMS NORCET recruitment 2021. Those who are working in state, central government, PSU must be submit no objection or NOC certificate. Regarding pattern and scheme of examination, there will be examination duration is 3 hours or 180 minutes, 200 MCQs, multiple choice questions will be there with 4 alternative for each questions. In that 180 multiple choice questions related to nursing subject, 20 multiple choice questions related to GK and aptitude. There will be negative marking, that is 1/3 marks for each wrong answer. Qualifying marks for recruitment examination will be 50% for unreserved EWS candidate, 45% for OBC, 40% for SC/ST candidates. PWD additional 5% relaxation will be given. The syllabus will be accordance with education qualification and experience as mentioned in the eligibility section advertisement. So these are the main points regarding AIIMS NORCET 2021 notification. The exact vacancy numbers are not mentioned here, but it will be more than 2000. So everybody please apply. It is already opened. So first you have to make registration in that application portal. Then you can log in with your user ID and password. So I will show the demonstration tomorrow. So first you can check the notification here. I will give you the description link in description link, so you can check it there. Thank you. So if you have any doubt means you can ask in comment section. We will clarify in next video your doubts.